She was giggling. She was giggling. Like when it first started, she couldn't believe it. She's torn.
She's definitely mine.
She goes to crawl away, but it's just too fascinating. Look.
Sad thing is, I was doing this like last weekend.
What happened? You thought this was funny. She was staring at it and giggling, flicking it, and then she'd laugh.
Are you having fun? That's it?
Oh, here's something else. These are clothes that don't fit. More clothes that don't fit. Here she goes.
Are you done?
Did you get it?
You got her attention.
You know, Jackie likes those too. She has to touch it.
Oh boy.
Oh, that was so cute. The one time I don't bring my phone upstairs, I couldn't record.